Foggy headlights not only look bad, but can also impair nighttime visibility on even the best cars, creating a safety hazard. If you're not willing to shell out the money for new headlight lenses, your wisest alternative is to search for the best headlight restoration kit. Whether you're looking for a wipe-on, wipe-off polish, or a multi-step kit, we've done the research for you and have narrowed your options down to a few of the top headlight restoration products. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best headlight restoration kits. So let's get started. Number 5. Chemical Guy's Headlight Restorer. Geared toward the car owner who wants an all-in-one option that works either by power tool or elbow grease, the Chemical Guy's Headlight Restorer offers simplicity and customization with materials you trust. After washing and taping off your headlight lenses, you can apply the restorer to any microfiber cloth and start rubbing it onto the headlight. This process can take several minutes depending on the amount of oxidation you have. After the initial scrubbing, clean the headlamp and reapply the compound to polish. You can repeat this process until you achieve the desired level of clarity. Chemical Guys also recommends that customers use 2500 grit sandpaper if there's severe discoloration. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 4. Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit. Cerakote offers the best headlight restoration kit if you're looking for a ceramic coating that not only protects from UV light, but can also restore light output on highly oxidized headlamps. The Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit uses a 3-step process that begins with an oxidation removal wipe. Sanding comes next, and finally, after washing and drying your headlamp, you'll wipe on a durable ceramic coating to protect your car long-term. Unlike a few of the other multi-step systems on this list, the sanding pads in this kit don't attach to a power drill, so you'll have to put in a little elbow grease for a high-shine outcome. However, it's a great product for someone who enjoys the hands-on experience and time of a DIY project. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 3. 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System. The 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System offers visible results at a competitive price. What you get out of the box is a power drill attachable system that includes a disc holder, 500-, 800-, and 3000 grit sanding pads, a foam buffing pad, and a buffing solution. Like the Sylvania kit, the 3M Headlight Lens Restoration System lays out a 3-step process during which you sand down the grit on your headlights using a series of coarse Trizac trademark discs. One video reviewer goes so far as to call the sanding pads magical for the way they remove debris. Since the kit is drill-based, you can probably expect it to take less time than hand buffing, although total work time will depend on the cloudiness of your headlamps. If you want to get into hard-to-reach areas, you can also use the sanding discs by hand. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 2. Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit. Another name with some brand power behind it, the Mother's New Lens Headlight Renewal Kit aims for high-quality results and a leisurely restoration process. This earns it a spot on our list of the best headlight cleaners. The kit includes a drill attachment, coarse restoration discs, a foam ball polish applicator, and a bottle of polish. The instructions call for a mix of dry sanding and wet sanding, so you'll want to double-check as you move through the cleaning process. The only items you'll need to supply are painter's tape, gloves, and a microfiber towel to dry your newly shined headlights. If you only have light oxidation on your headlamps, you may only need to apply the polish. However, for light scratches, debris buildup, or pitting, the Mother's New Lens kit still gets the job done. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. Number 1. Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit. Known primarily for its automotive lighting parts, Sylvania also sells products that can help you restore your existing headlight lenses. The Sylvania Headlight Restoration Kit has a 3-step process that produces some of the best results in terms of clarity, proving it can tackle heavy-duty yellowing. This is why we've chosen it as the overall best headlight restoration kit. When using the Sylvania product, the first step is to spray on the surface activator to soften the plastic. Then, you sand off the initial clear coat and apply a polishing compound. The last step is to rub on a UV blocker that will prevent future sun damage. Sylvania is so confident in its product that it offers a lifetime warranty, which is a nice perk for a product that retails for less than $20. Here are some pros and cons that I found to be interesting for you. It can help you choose the right product on your importance. That was our list of the top 5 best headlight restoration kits just for you.